steak. I said I might as well just turn the camera on here and show y'all how to properly cook a ribeye steak, y'all. Like that steak medium well done, hey, that's you. But if you want a flavorful, juicy piece of meat, y'all, I tell people all the time, eat your steak medium rare. So I'm gonna have me a steak and potato tonight. So I got me a grill pan heating up. I cook steaks all the time right here on top of my stove, y'all. On a weekly, not a weekly, but on a monthly basis. So anyway, I got me a 10-ounce ribeye here, bone in, because you know I get all my meat processed from the plant. And why it looked like this, I had it marinated over 24 hours. All I got in here is some oil, some little Cavendish, salt and pepper, little Uncle Steve shake there, and a little olive oil. I marinated 24 hours, y'all. Perfect steak. Now, like I said, I'm gonna let my grill pan get very hot over here, smoking hot, and we're gonna sear this, grill it on both sides, and I'm gonna just finish it in the oven, just like we would do it in the restaurant. All right, y'all, here we go. Here we go. I got my skillet, see it's smoking hot there, my grill pan. We're just gonna lay this bad boy in there. There we go. I'm gonna let it cook about 3 minutes this way. Then I'm gonna take it, turn it this way. That's what's gonna get that beautiful grill marks on it. And then we're gonna flip it over and do the same way on the grill mark. So you're looking at about, with this steak, 10-ounce steak, we're gonna cook it on top of the stove about 10 minutes total. And then I'm gonna put it in the oven another 6-7 minutes. It ain't gonna take no longer than 15 to 18 minutes to cook this steak medium rare. Then we're gonna take it out, we're gonna let it rest. All right, y'all, we back. Now, get some nice grill marks on there. We're gonna take it. We're gonna turn it just like this, y'all. You know, the nice, pretty grill marks you see in the Golden Corral. You can have steaks in Golden Corral? Texas Roadhouse, that's what I mean to say. You know, nice when that steak comes to your table. Hopefully it's medium rare when it comes to your table. Texas Roadhouse, that's how they do it. This steak smells absolutely amazing. Amazing, man. That's like a good old Texas beef ribeye. So, anyway, y'all, we'll be right back when it's time to flip it over. Be right back. All right, y'all, we back. All right, y'all, time to flip this bad boy over. Look at them pretty marks. See that? See those pretty marks? That's how you do it. Let me tell y'all something about my history. When I first started working here in Houston at the job I retired from, my job was on my station was the grill station. That's the first station I stepped on. And I already had perfected cooking steak. When I was in high school, I worked at a Flash Steak seafood house. So that was mine. When they say, oh, you're going to be starting on the steak station, hey, I said, okay, I'm going to fit in just good. So I worked there about 2 years. At night, and Saturday nights on a steak grill station, it's a nightmare. But that's what everybody wants on Saturday nights is grill steak. Yeah. So anyway, we'll be right back when I flip. I'm gonna flip it one more time. I ain't gonna even go. I ain't gonna even go to a commercial, y'all. We're gonna flip this thing the other way, and then we're gonna put this bad boy in the oven. Like I say, it's about, let me see here. Probably about 6 minutes. But it's cooking good right here. So we'll try to do about 6 minutes in the oven. Let me turn it this way now. We're gonna turn it this way. There we go. Just give it all you get is a 90-degree turn, y'all. It's a 90-degree turn. That's how you get that Texas Roadhouse nice grill marks on it. So anyway, y'all, we'll be right back when it's time to put it in the oven. All right, y'all, we back here. All right, y'all. Now, how pretty that is on the other side. See that? Look at that. Now, I'm going to put this in the oven, like I say, about 5 to 6 minutes. Now, if you're doing a temperature on this, a medium rare ribeye is about 130, 135. That's 135 is about as high as you want to go on a medium rare ribeye. So that's the temperature now. Like I say, I'm only giving you the rare to medium rare things. Well done and all that. That ain't in my vocabulary. No. All right, y'all. steak is out the oven. Now I'm gonna take that steak. All I'm gonna do, y'all, I'm gonna lay it on here and let it rest. I'm gonna let this bad boy rest on this plate for about 5 or 6 minutes. And then we're gonna cut back and slice it. Now if I don't let it rest, the blood gonna go everywhere. Well, I'm saying blood, so y'all people think it's blood. But juice gonna go everywhere. I'm gonna take this just like this and let it sit here, y'all, about 5 minutes.